Namaste everyone, welcome back to your own channel Rising Partner. My name is Sheetal and in this video I am going to tell you about one more job opening which is a work from home job and it's a part-time job. So if you are somebody who do not want to work for 9 hours, 8 hours, or if you are somebody who do not have much time to work, so you can work here for the part-time. So in this video I am going to give you each and every details. So I am going to discuss this video into 3 parts. In the first part I will be discussing about the company's profile and the job profile so that you will exactly know what you will have to do if you will be hired here. In the second part we'll be talking about the eligibility criteria, and in the third part we'll be discussing about the salary part, and I'll be telling you how you can apply for this job. But before that, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, you are requested to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos, because on this channel I share the latest job updates with you. Also I share the tips and techniques to grow in your career, to grow in your profession. And at the end, if you will like my video, please do not forget to hit the like button, because your one like gives me motivation to make more videos. So let's get started and let's discuss about the profile. So if I talk about the company profile, company's name is wisdomaccess.com and they are into website making and development, they are into content making and development. And the position they are hiring for content writer. So if you will be hired here, you will be working as a content writer. They'll be getting the projects from the clients and accordingly they'll be giving you the work. So content writing you will have to do, maybe you will have to do the content writing into IT, maybe in finance, maybe in banking, maybe in automobile, education, media, entertainment, any of the field you will do the content writing. If I talk about the eligibility criteria, so male and female both the candidates can apply here. Experienced and fresh candidate both can apply here. Maybe you are a experienced candidate but you do not have experience into content writing, in that case also you can apply. Or if you are a fresher candidate, you do not have any work experience, you can apply here. So any housewife, any student, any retired person, or somebody who is already working somewhere and have some spare time can apply here. If I talk about the qualification, so if you are 12th pass, you can apply for this job, or if you are a graduate candidate, you can apply here. If I talk about the job location, so they are open for 3 locations: Mysore, Trivandrum and Lucknow. So if you belong for any of these locations, you can apply here. Your computer knowledge should be good. You should have an idea how to work on computers, how to work on PowerPoint, how to work on Word, how to work on Excel. And apart from this, if I'll talk about the salary part, so you'll be getting around 16,000 per month. So as I told you, it's a part-time job, and if you will be working for 2 to 3 hours, you'll be getting 16,000 per month. If I talk about how you need to apply for this job, I'm giving you link in the description box. You just open that link, scroll down, you will see the apply button, and you just click on the apply button. Your resume will be submitted to the HR. But one more important thing, that to apply here, your resume should be there on Naukri. If you do not have your profile on Naukri, I'm giving you link in the description box of Naukri also. You can open that link and through that you can make your profile. So I hope in this video I have shared maximum details related to this particular job, but still if you have any question, any doubt, please do ask me in the comment box. I'll be really happy to help you out. I'll see you soon with a new and informative video. I am Sheetal signing off for today. Thanks for watching.